Hello, welcome back. I'm finally getting this video done at the end of January. But in my defense, we took everything down the first week of January, but we have been super busy this month. So Amelia had just woke up from her nap, so she was in the high chair having a snack, watching me take everything down in the kitchen in the dining area. And I just tried to really hustle to get everything taken down, and then I put it on the counter in the kitchen to have it ready to be put in the boxes. Christmas boxes. I think I have like 10 or 12 boxes, and then I had to get one more this year to fit everything that we have. I don't really get rid of my Christmas decorations because most of them have like a meaning to me, or they were gifts or something like that, but I had to shuffle stuff around in them to make everything fit. I do have specific boxes for the Hallmark ornaments, all the garlands and wreaths, and then the tree toppers. And everything else just fits wherever it fits together in a box that closes. I do try and keep certain things together, like the magnets. They all go in Ziploc bags, and then like the kids' nativity scene goes in a big Ziploc bag, so it can just be put in a tote and it'll stay together. So then the next year you can just pull it out and it's right there. Finally got Amelia down for a nap, so Xavier and I hustled to get all the ornaments off the tree and put away into their boxes. This took a lot longer than I had anticipated, but we got it done before she woke up. So we just took as many ornaments off the tree at a time as we could, and then laid them on the chair, and then just kept going back to get more ornaments. And then luckily the tote that had the individual boxes in it was pretty organized, so I could just take the boxes out of the tote and then box up the ornaments as I went. This took the longest out of everything because I individually, wrapped stuff back in the tissue paper or the bubble wrap and then put them in the boxes so they were protected for the next year, because these are all of like the Hallmark ornaments or ornaments that are special, that were gifts from grandparents or things like that. So we try and store them well for the season.
Hold on tight when you find it. I was turning around, I was waking up. You're pulling me right in, rotate to you again. I'll live the rest of my life by your side. I wanna stay here forever, playing it all like the radio. Don't see how it could be better. All I know is don't let go. Stuck in a head rush about it. We're spinning fast, we're moving slow. I don't know how, but we found it. Something supernatural. The space between us, oh, it feels like home. Oh, you feel like home wherever we.
When I'm taking the lights off, that we wrap the tree in like the normal traditional way with the green and the red lights, but we also wrap the trunk of the tree with just a string of white lights, and that kind of makes the tree look like it's really glowing. And I love how it looks, but it is kind of tricky to put the lights on and then to take them off, because I mean, obviously you want to take them off before you get rid of your Christmas tree. So it does take a little bit of time, but it makes the tree look really pretty.
Seeing stars, I let go of the past. I know this too shall last. Now I've been waiting all day to let you know that I wanna stay here forever, playing it on like the radio. Don't see how it could be better. All I know is don't let go. Stuck in your head, rushing back.
Alright, and now the worst part of taking down the Christmas tree is getting the tree outside and cleaning up all the pine needles left behind on the rug and the floor. But, you know, between Nick and I, he swept everything up, and then I went back with a vacuum once he was done and kind of got anything that he missed. And it didn't take too long, and the tree was not super dry, so it didn't drop a ton of leaves or a ton of needles. But I always think that this is the worst part of taking down the Christmas tree, is cleaning up all those needles, because it seems like no matter how well you clean, even, you know, you'll go back a week later and vacuum and there's still needles on the floor. But we got it as good as we could get it.
The space between us, oh, it feels like home. Oh, you feel like home wherever we go. The space between us is a place to rest your bones. Oh, this feels like home, supernatural. Taking one more breath beside you, so I could find strength to divide us. Gave it all we got, and I know we did the best we could. If I could go back, undo the mess, I would memorize your face before I go. But this is how we grow.
Alright, there you have it. Amelia's up from her nap. Perfect timing. We got all the Christmas decor and the trees put away for the year. The furniture is quickly getting back in its place. The boxes are in storage, and the house feels just a little bit empty. But it's time to start thinking about Valentine's Day now. So thank you for watching and sticking it out till the end. If you like this video, please give it a like. Subscribe if you want to. We'd really appreciate it. And we will see you next time. Bye.
Hold on to let go.